You go to your school. He goes to his school. She goes to her school. It goes to its school. We go to our school. You go to your school. They go to their school.
Te equivocaste varias veces, ¿verdad? Yo como mi pizza.
I eat my pizza. You eat your pizza. He eats its pizza. He eats his pizza. She eats her pizza. It eats its pizza. We eat it. We eat our pizza. You eat your pizza. They eat their pizza.
Yo leo mis libros.
I read my books. You read your books. He reads his books. She reads her books. It reads its books. We read our books. You read your books. They read their books. Ese no me equivoqué.
Nunca hay que equivocarse. Yo manejo mi carro.
I drive my car. You drive your car. He drives his car. She drives her car. It drives its car. It drives its car. We drive our car. You drive your car. They drive their car.
Yo voy a mi escuela.
I go to my school. You go to your school. He goes to his school. She goes to her school. Después, it goes to its school. We go to its school. You. ¿En qué iba?
Creo que ibas en libro.
No, iba en we. We go to our school. You go to your school. They go to their school. ¿Estás grabando?